But here it is, the last weekend driving on the old dam before the bridge opens. Big bridge. And a lot of lightning today too. And there it is, driving on the bridge. Ooh, that was a bright one.
That was a bright one.
Yeah, the gods are angry about the new bridge. In fact, the lightning is like it's hitting the new bridge, tearing it down. And here's going backwards on the dam. Lots of lightning. Dang. That's, you know what that is? That's dam lightning. Raining hard. Lots of lightning out there on the new bridge. Oh, did I get that one? That was massive. Oh, that was great. Tremendous amount of lightning on that new bridge. There's some pretty girls. Ooh. That's it. That's it. God wants that bridge down. He's throwing lightning bolts at it. He's hitting it all over the... Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh! Oh no!
Everybody's gonna get hit! Look out!
Look out!
Woo! That's damn lightning!
That's damn... Run! Run, the lightning!
Run, Forrest! Run, Forrest! Run!
Run! Run!
Run, Forrest!
Run! Oh!
Whoa! You don't get hit!
Oh, dear. We're gonna get it.
What's all that damn lightning?
Watch!
I'm getting damn wild. And we're on the dam. We're still on the dam.
And there's the new bridge.
And it's pouring, and it's...
And the new bridge got hit. It says, just got struck. This guy, run, Forrest. Run.
This guy crossed in front of me the last time. There he goes. This dude, look at that dude. That's like Forrest Gump. Man, that's some lightning up there. Woo!
Ooh, yeah. Oh, boy, that was so...
Alright, let's hope we don't get hit. Because it's really, really coming down.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be driving and taking movies, but look at that bridge.